Welcome to Gresham on the Go, a fast-paced monthly news show where we'll take you places, talk to interesting people, and give you the highlights you need to stay informed and get involved in our community. I'm your host, Jill Bradley. And hey, isn't that City Transportation Planner, Jay Higgins? Oh, yes. Jay, I hear you're the guy behind these awesome new signs on the Wy'East Way Path. Can you stop for a minute and tell us about this wonderful new upgrade for bikers, walkers, and strollers?
Yeah, sure. So we installed 4 of these large signs all along the Wy'East Way, and then a number of wayfinding signs and some small trail headers so people can identify that they're actually on the Wy'East Way.
I love the Wy'East Way. We're standing in front of City Hall, but it goes actually through the heart of Gresham. Can you tell us a little bit about it?
Sure. Well, Wy'East Way is one of our multi-use paths. You've got this nice 12 feet of asphalt. It goes all the way from the Cleveland Max Station and then into the heart of Rockwood at the Ruby Junction Max Station.
And one of the reasons the signs do is they kind of connect us to what's all around us. There's a couple other trails you can get on and destinations you can see. Can you tell me about some of those?
Yeah, we put in signs that help with some of the little connector trails that lead into the Wy'East Way so that you can get from your neighborhood either down to the Max stations or get on the multi-use path.
And the Wy'East Way, where the signs are, also connect you to the Gresham Fairview Trail and the Springwater Trail and a new area in Rockwood, right?
Yeah, we just installed a new Gresham Greenway. That's a shared street environment. So bikes and cars are sharing the street, and we put in new wayfinding signage so you can find your destinations. And it takes you from Yamhill at the end of the Wy'East Way all the way up to Kirk Park in Rockwood.
Well, there you have it. It may be raining a little bit, but it's fall, so grab your bike, come on and explore Gresham. The Gresham City Council wants to hear from you. Right now, the city is deciding how to spend its first $12.7 million in American Rescue Plan funds. This is money provided by the federal government to help local communities recover from the COVID-19 pandemic. Elizabeth, tell us why this is so important and how the community can get involved.
So we're really excited to have this opportunity to make a significant investment in Gresham. And we have lots of ideas that we've heard from the community and our staff and our city council about ways that we could actually support the community as we all continue to recover from this global pandemic. And so right now we have a survey that's open for the community to take, and we're really hoping to hear from as many voices as possible so that we can really prioritize what's most important to spend for this first half of the money. We have lots of project ideas, way more project ideas than we really have funding for. And so that's why your voice is really important. So I encourage you all to go online and take the survey by October 31st.
And when you do, tell your friends and neighbors to hurry and take it too, and send it on so that everybody can get involved.